Welcome to 5-Minute English. Learn to replace 80 rude words with polite expressions. Subscribe for more tips. Don't say lazy. Say tired. Don't say stupid. Say foolish. Don't say fat. Say overweight. Don't say shut up. Say can you be quiet? Don't say you're lying. Say I think there's a misunderstanding. Don't say do it now. Say could you help me please? Don't say you're being rude. Say that's not very nice. Don't say this place is a mess. Say could you tidy up? Don't say I'm busy, leave me alone. Say I'll get to it soon. Don't say don't bother me. Say let's talk later. Don't say you're so messy. Say could you clean up after yourself? Don't say get out of my way. Say please give me some space. Don't say I'm angry. Should say I'm feeling upset. Don't say you're unfair. Say that's not very fair. Don't say you're overreacting. Say let's calm down. Don't say you're impossible. Say you're being difficult. Don't say don't do that. Say I'd prefer you don't. Don't say stop cutting me off. Say could you stop interrupting? Don't say I'm exhausted. Say I'm feeling tired. Don't say stop being so impatient. Say please be patient. Don't say hurry up. Say let's not rush. Don't say I didn't mean to. Say that wasn't intentional. Don't say I'm mad at you. Say I'm disappointed. Don't say don't be clumsy. Say please be careful. Don't say shut up. Say could you be quiet please? Don't say just make a decision. Say let's think this through. Don't say you don't know what you're talking about. Say I understand your point. Don't say I'm done with this. Say let's take a break. Don't say that's a bad idea. Say, could we try something different? Don't say do it my way. Say let's work it out together. Don't say mind your own business. Say I'd prefer to keep that private. Don't say leave me alone. Say I need some time to think. Don't say you're wrong. Say I see it differently. Don't say clean this mess. Say could you tidy up please? Don't say you're wasting time. Say let's focus on the task. Don't say you never listen. Say I'd appreciate it if you paid attention. Don't say stop talking. Say could we have a moment of silence? Don't say don't interrupt me. Say please let me finish. Don't say hurry up. Say could you speed up a little please? Don't say that's none of your concern. Say I'll handle it, thank you. Don't say you always mess things up. Say we can improve this together. Don't say stop whining. Say let's try to stay positive. Don't say stop bothering me. Say can we talk about this later? Don't say don't nag me. Say I'll try to remember. Don't say you never listen. Say I'd appreciate it if you listened. Don't say I don't know. Say I'm not sure. Don't say you're on your own. Say let's work together. Don't say stop bothering me. Say I'll handle it. Don't say leave me alone. Say I need a break. Don't say you're wrong. Say you're being unfair. Don't say stop talking. Say I need to think. Don't say just wait. Say please wait. Don't say do it yourself. Say let's do this together. Don't say I'll do it when I feel like it. Say I'll take care of it later. Don't say you're so annoying. Say let's not fight. Don't say you broke it again. Say could you fix it? Don't say that makes no sense. Say I didn't understand that. Don't say stop making noise. Say can we have some peace? Don't say deal with it yourself. Say I'm sorry, I can't help right now. Don't say stop yelling. Say you're being too loud. Don't say you're being ridiculous. Say that's not appropriate. Don't say it's my turn now. Say let's take turns. Don't say let me finish. Say please don't interrupt. Kikar. Don't say calm down. Say let's stay calm. Don't say I don't have time for this. Say we'll figure it out later. Don't say stop being rude. Say please be kind. Don't say it's my way or nothing. Say can we compromise? Oh, don't say this is impossible. Say that's a challenge. Don't say stop being rude. Say let's be kind. Don't say stop yelling. Say please don't raise your voice. Don't say don't argue with me. Say can we discuss this? Don't say do it my way. Say let's work it out together. Don't say calm down. Say let's stay calm. Don't say I'm done with this. Say let's take a break. Don't say that's nonsense. Say I see what you mean. Don't say I don't want to talk now. Say let's talk about it later.
Very crowded. Packed. The stadium was packed for the big game.
Very thirsty? Parched. After hiking all day, I was